floats, all right. Good morning. This is Alex with Catch Happy and Sweeney Sports doing a report on Napa River. It's around 6:30 a.m. We're on the river. It's beginning of June. We're looking for stripers specifically. We're gonna go ahead and trawl with. We have live bait minnows. We have these beautiful rattle traps. We're gonna try. We have frozen ghosts. So today is the striper trip. My co-captain today is my brother Paul. You'll see him usually out. Sometimes he out catches me. Sometimes I out catch him. But the point today is to provide you with a good idea, a good deal of information on Napa River. What's going on with the water temperature? What are we marking? What sturgeon might be or might not be. That's the goal. And right now I'm gonna let the first one out. It's gonna be my lucky rattle trap. So launched in Kenningsworth, got two rods trawling, got a silver rattle trap and a gold one. Felt like there was one bite. We just passed the bridge about a few minutes ago. Let's see what's back there. Just kind of trawling carefully, about 4 miles an hour with the current. It's gonna be low tide in about now. Should start turning and the flows will come this way. Waiting for that. But for now it's quiet. Keep working. The sturgeon, still working. Got in a Dutchman slough right next to the 37 bridge. Working through it right now, trolling. I got a little spot there that a bunch of eddies. We slowly getting there, but it's an incoming tide right now, so it's a good thing. Fish will be pushed in here, and we hope something comes up. You'll know. Actually, you already know. We don't know. We'll find out. All right, so we trolled all the way to the 37 bridge. Nothing. Had some markings. It was good markings. A lot of sturgeon markings, actually. So we came out here about to go to Dutchman slough, but we marked some like 3-4 big sturgeon just right on the bottom, sitting there. So we anchored up and put out a couple rods. I don't really have sturgeon setup, but last time we caught one on the like a catfish setup. So I have something similar, maybe 20-pound line. We'll see. We'll play with them. We'll work them. First, we need to get a bite. So we're hoping that we're gonna get a bite. If we don't get anything here, we're gonna go pull up, anchor off, and then go around, meet up with them again, see if they're still there, and then re-anchor. But for now, it's 9 o'clock and we're on sturge. See what happens. Bullheads, now we're going for the grass shrimp. Trying to do Operation Impossible. Get grass shrimp from Papa Sherm. I'd recommend Papa Sherm bait and tackle here in Vallejo. Looks good. All right, let's see what's what. Go ahead and toss it, Papa Sherm. We'll get it. Awesome, thank you. Oh shit, it's gonna float. Oh, it floats, all right. Thank you. All right, 7.4, so far so good. I'll back out right quick. Tell me when. Tell me when you got it.
Got it.
All right, here we go again. So far it's midday and we're completely skunked, but we went to Papa Sherm's shop. I'll show you where he's at. Where are we at? 37 Bridge. Papa Sherm's is right there. Right there, a little shack, and he floated us a bag of bullheads. I don't know if that's gonna work, but we're gonna give it a shot. This is a good spot, so let's try to fish here, see what happens. See how oh! Fish on, guys, fish on. How does it feel? Trevor? Big. Okay. Suck it. All right, we got the fish on. Hold it. I don't have. Let me get this out. Ready? All right. I'm not getting excited. That's right. Grass shrimp, right? Sturgeon. Oh, that's it. Definitely a sturgeon. You and your sturgeon. Oh my God. That's definitely something to go with. Look at this. Oh, she's pretty. She just. All right, gonna release him right here. There you go, attaboy. Oh, dude, this was magic, dude, bro. Hey, high five. Good job, man. That's what we got going. Live grass, just like that, and then terminate it with the bait button, and let it rip. Paul thinks we got a bite again. He got a bite, not we. He. Well, we'll see. So far, maybe. Well, Salami, you getting too excited? You think you get back to back?
No,
Sturge?
It had a tag for sure.
Oh no, it's definitely.
I don't think.
All right, guys, we'll plug you back in when there's something going on. Okay, so it was a fantastic day on the river. Beginning of June, first week of June report is complete. So you just have to run around. We went all the way to 37 Bridge from Cuttingsworth. Got some markings there, but actually got a lot of markings, no bites at all, like on live minnows, on rattle traps. Then we hit the Papa Sherm's bait and tackle, and he floated us a bag of live grass shrimp, and this is where things started to happen. This guy, Sturgeon Master, my brother, got a shaker, but it was a nice one. It was like 34, 33 inch, something like that. It was a good fight, but we ended up with a fish, and the way we did it is, on the way back from 37, we metered, we stopped at every pylon, we metered. Finally, we found like 2 or 3 of them hanging down, and we just anchored up right above them and threw it to them. It took about an hour. Well, maybe 40 minutes?
Yeah.
40 minutes. We had one pronounced bite and 1 bite, 1 fish. It's a good ratio. Napa River right now, look for them. Look for them. When you see them, anchor up and get on them. Fresh bait helps. That's what I'm talking about. You gotta have live bait. That's the ticket right now. That's what's working. And look, I appreciate you guys watching, and you're probably gonna have better luck. We've seen other boats that did a lot better than us, but here's your first week of June Napa River fishing report, and we'll do better next time. Until next time, thank you very much for watching, and have a fantastic day in the water. Until next time.